Nawawalan ka ba ng motivation? Alright? If you only rely on motivation alone, kulang talaga. And you should also use habits. So, motivation saan? Right? Sa fitness goals mo, sa dapat mong diet, sa dapat natutulog ka rin, get enough sleep para, mahirap kasi magtrabaho pag kulang sa tulog, right? Mahirap magtrabaho or mag-exercise pag kulang sa tulog. Well, this video is about motivation and how to get more of it. But FYI lang guys, we should not rely on motivation alone, we should rely on habit. So, hi, my name is Jose Villablanca, the founder and CEO of HolyFit, which is an employee engagement company. I am also an author. All right, I wrote a book about fitness, and HolyFit is actually short for holistic fitness. So that's physical fitness, mental fitness, even financial fitness. And today I'm going to share on how to stay motivated so that you achieve your goals. If it's personal or professional goal. I love this guy. There's a new guy behind the camera. Ang galing niya. JL! Galing mo!
HolyFit, #1.
Siya yung mag-edit na to. Alright, so I also try to motivate him and my team. Alright, so tip number 1 comes to motivation. How do you get motivation? And ang una masasabi ko sa'yo is just start moving, guys. When you start moving, you start seeing results. Okay? Pero if you're gonna wait for motivation, maghihintay ka ng sobrang tagal. So, do not wait for a good mood. Do not wait for the perfect situation. Hindi mangyayari. Yun. If you're waiting na, if I close this client, dyan ako maging motivated. If I get this new gear so I can do better at work, dyan ako motivated. If I get a new workplace setup, a standing desk, like this, dyan ako magiging motivated. Hindi dapat ganon. Baba natin kasi OC ako. We should be motivated regardless of what happens. And if you're not seeing results, lalo kang mawala ng motivation. But if you start acting and sabihin mo sa sarili mo, mas magiging motivated ako pag may results ako. Right, pumayat ka, right, nagkaka-six-pack ka na, or you're exercising 3 times a week. Nakaka-motivate na may pattern ka na of healthy living. Right, ganun din sa trabaho. Tumatawag ka na, cold calling ka, 10 people a day. Kahit wala ka na close, mamotivate ka kasi alam mo you're getting towards the results. And pag nakuha mo yung results, pag may bagong kliyente, motivated ka na, which makes you more confident. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. So again, the first step here is start doing until you see results. Remember, nung una, wala talagang results, don't let that stop you. Alamin mo lang, consistent action leads to result. If kakain ako ng healthy, papayat ako. If kakain ako ng chocolate or inom mo ng alak lagi, tataba ako. Consistent action leads to results. So don't just wait for the results. Look at the actions you have to do to achieve the results, and that will motivate you, lalo na pag nakita mo yung results. So guys, some of the tips here that I'm sharing with you actually comes from The Motivation Myth by Jeff Hayden. And this other tip I read here is, we lack motivation. We lack confidence. We all have insecurities, doubts, and fears. We all have goals, but we don't really want to achieve them unless we take the necessary steps we need to achieve what we want. So alamin mo yun, guys. Just, syempre, normal yun na may struggles tayo. Normal yun na nagda-doubt tayo sa sarili natin. Normal yun na wala tayong motivation. Alright? But the more you do it, and the more you realize na lahat ng tao nawawalan din ng motivation. Lahat ng tao self-conscious yun pala. Mas nakakagaan ng loob, diba? Kahit ako, guys, sometimes ayoko. I don't want to do these videos, baka 10 views lang or whatever. But I know if I do it consistently, I can help more people, and this will help me become a better speaker, which is one of my goals. So if you have personal goals of getting healthier and fitter, yes, at first, magmukhang tanga ka if you're trying to learn how to play basketball or learn how to work out, lalo na pag kasama mo magaling na. Ganun sa trabaho, hindi ka marunong mag-cold calls, hindi ka marunong mag-graphic design, mag-shoot ng photos or videos or mag-edit. Yes, guys, normal yan. But the more you do it, mas magiging magaling ka. And yun nga, sasabi dito, we will all lack motivation. We all lack confidence. We all have insecurities. But you will get better the more you do it. It will kill, nakakapatay siya ng fears, doubts, and insecurities the more you try. Alright, so that's the second tip here. So guys, the third tip, the power of routine. When you create a routine, embrace that routine, and see the results of that routine, you stop negotiating with yourself. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Yun nga guys, earlier, or maybe in previous videos, I've said that don't rely on motivation alone. Kasi motivation can change from day to day, even hour to hour. Para siyang energy. Paminsan may energy tayo, paminsan nawawala tayo ng energy. Ganun ang motivation. It's a form of energy. Pero when you have a routine, pag may habits ka na, pag disiplinado ka na, sorry, trying to be more Tagalog here, gagawin mo siya, even if you're having a bad day or a good day. Routine na siya eh. Habit mo na siya. Nag-exercise ka, even if you have a bad day or a good day. Stressed ako, mag-workout muna ako. Stressed ako, or ang saya ng buhay ko, mag-workout ako. So you do them regardless, right? So that's why you have to build routines of success. How does that work? Sleeping early at night, having a food journal, exercising no matter what. Dapat gawin talaga natin yun. Same thing when it comes to work. Showing up to work early, delivering your results, gagawin mo yung trabaho 100%. Kasi kahit na employed ka, pag alam nila you give it 100%, people talk about it. Or, even I tell my team this, just give it 100%, pretend like this is your company. And if ever you go on your own, magsarili ka ng kumpanya, at least pinraksan mo yung kumpanya ko. I also benefited from that. I don't expect everyone to stay with me forever. If they want to, great. If ayaw nila, mas gusto ko syempre bigyan nila 100% sa akin, practice nila sa negosyo ko, and then they do it on their own. Kesa naman, they don't give it 100%, tapos they start their own business. Ano isipin mo dun? Syempre, they develop those bad habits, those bad routines, so they won't do a good job when they have their own business. So yun yung third tip ko, guys, power of routine. So I like this tip. Use don't, not can't. Don't means it's non-negotiable. So ano yung sabihin nun? I don't eat chocolate. I don't drink alcohol. I don't ganito, ganon. Alright? Hindi pwedeng ganon. Palitan natin, I can't. I can't eat chocolate. I can't stay up late at night. I can't not finish my cold calls. I can't, not work an all-nighter. Ayun. So, sobrang different. Don't is parang pwede pa i-negotiate eh. Can't is, hindi talaga pwede. There's nothing I can do about it. So, that's the fourth tip there. Use can't, not don't. Tama ba? Use don't, not can't. See, I'm not perfect, but I'm still doing these videos. Here's another tip. Anyone trying to achieve great things get nervous. Anyone trying to achieve great things get scared. To succeed, you don't have to be braver than other people. You just need to find the strength to keep moving forward. Fear is paralyzing, but action creates confidence and self-assurance. Sobrang naniniwala ako dun. When I started getting a dad bod, sobrang, people start seeing me tumaba ako, wala nang six-pack, wala nang arms, right? You have all these fears, all these self-doubt, sobrang self-conscious ka na. Alright? Pag work naman, I can't make all these cold calls, baka isipin na makulit ako, baka isipin na scammer ako, my boss doesn't believe in me, ganito, ganon. So all these things, they're normal actually, kasi I try to protect you from being rejected, right? So pag na-reject tayo ng tribe natin when we were hunters and gatherers, hundreds or thousands of years ago, that meant certain death. Kasi if you get exiled sa tribe mo, you can't hunt by yourself. You can't gather by yourself. We are a tribe. We live in a community. Pero in this day and age, right, it's just social rejection or mental rejection na parang na-reject ko yung ideas more, this and that. So once I figured that out na nire-reject pala ng utak ko because it's trying to save me from embarrassing myself, mental embarrassment, emotional hurt is the same as physical hurt or physical embarrassment. Your mind cannot tell the difference. So, how do you fight that? Just do. Just start doing it. Just do it, brother. Right? The more you do, yes, magkakamali ka at the start, but the more you do, the better you get eventually. So that will kill fear. That will kill self-doubt. You just have to keep doing it until you become successful. So, to me, it's just like one of those tips na sinabi ko kanina. Para siyang regurgitation. Pero sometimes we need to be reminded so many times until magets natin. Yun. So yun, you have to be braver. And how do you become brave? By doing and understanding that yes, there will be mistakes, pero mistakes will be the stepping stone to our success. All right, mental strength is like muscle strength. Alam mo ba, we have a finite amount available per day. Why focus on things you can't control? Mediocre gossiping, mga marites, unfortunate events that have already happened, don't sulk. You can learn from the experience and move on. So unfortunate things, parang, ay, kasi ganito nangyayari sa akin, kaya ako na, kumain ng chichirya, or uminom ng alak, or kaya ako binagsakan ng telepono, ng cold call ako. Whatever it may be, guys, don't cry over spilled milk. Nahulog na ngayon yung milk. Clean up the table and move forward. So, sulking is too much. Pero kunwari, mali yung cold call ko, dapat ganito pala yung ginawa ko. Fine. That's like parang a debrief on how I can do things better. Ganun din sa fitness or kunwari sa basketball. Ay, supal pala ako dun. Okay, next time, alam ko nang gagawin ko. Box out, tira. Ganon, fake or whatever. So, yes, you can reassess. Alright, so mental strength, you have to be tough enough, guys. Alright? Siyempre, we can't work out all day sa gym. Mapapagod din tayo. Ganun din sa mental strength. We can only do so much per day when we're trying to do something new. So, you just try to push yourself out there once in a while. A few mental challenges per day. Pero wag mong sagarin kasi baka ma-depress ka lang. So, understand that. The tip here is mental strength is just as much as, or the same, like muscle strength. So, in order for you to get stronger, you have to use it. Here's another tip. Feeling better about yourself is the best way of all to recharge your mental batteries. Count your blessings, be grateful for what you have, focus on what life has given you and why you appreciate those blessings instead of cursing life for the things you don't have, but what you want. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Let me think about that. Yeah, so if you want to feel better, guys, niniwala talaga ako to count your blessings. Gratitude practice ang tawag niyan. In fact, I write it down on my iPad every day. I have a journal here. Use my Apple Pencil. Sinusulat ko. At the start of the day, 3 things I'm grateful for. JL, working with Jose. Ganun. Our clients sign up for a 1-year contract. My team who are great. My health, physical health, mental health, financial health, whatever it may be. Kasi if you don't count your blessings, we think of it na parang nandyan eh. We already have them. So we're always looking ahead kung ano pang pwede natin achieve. So once in a while, ganun talaga yung utak eh. We more, next, what else do we want? Dapat, once in a while, pahinga tayo. Lord, isipin mo yun, guys. Pag nawala mo yung wallet mo or yung cellphone mo, nasaan na yun? Pag nahanap mo, ay, yun pala. Thank you, Lord, hindi nawala. Right? Pero, if you forget about what you have, wala, parang baliwala lang. Ganun kasi yung utak natin eh. We look at the future all the time. So, gratefulness puts you in the now and makes you realize what you take for granted. And another thing sa tip na ito is, instead of focusing sa mga kulang sa buhay mo, nakaka-depress yun eh. Focus on kung anong meron mo na. Like, one time, without saying too much, nagka-dengue isang tao, right? Kala niya may appendicitis siya. So, when she felt better, thank God for my health, right? We take things for granted until nawala sa atin. Pero before that, we've always had good health. So, ganun guys, have a practice of daily gratitude and I promise you, tataas ang energy mo. Tip ko sa'yo is do it first thing in the morning and last thing before you sleep. Well, not really the last thing, but one of the last things. Para siyang prayer. Prayer, guys, should not be about, God, Lord, sana makuha ko to. Hindi. Prayer should be about, thank you for giving me all these things. Gratefulness prayer, hindi yung sana makuha ko to. You're always focusing on yung sa kulang mo sa buhay. Kesa, nagpapasalamat ka sa kung anong meron sa'yo ngayon. So yun, that has really helped me a lot. Last tip, guys, you can either curse the darkness or light a candle. You can't do both. Madilim, walang ilaw. Damn you, ba't walang ilaw ang dilim? Alright? Or sa trabaho, wala akong client, wala akong pera, wala akong bagong iPhone 17 Pro Max. Or, wala akong six-pack. Alright? We're just complaining. You're crying over spilled milk. Tama na. Light a candle. Alright? If it's dark in your life, light a candle. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, mataba ako, exercise ako. Okay, wala akong clients, magka-cold call ako, magma-marketing ako, pa-practice ako paano mag-sell. Alright? If pangit yung nutrition mo, okay, I'm gonna learn how to eat properly, count my calories, count my macros. Ganon. Again, don't curse the darkness, but light a candle instead, and I promise you, you'll be ahead. Yes, for a split second, pwede ka mag-complain, or ayoko sabihin complain, pero you can state the facts na kulang ka dito sa ganun-ganon, pero wag mo sobrang dibdibin na nakaka-depress. Act, 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 start moving, and I promise you, you will see results. So if you like the tips here, guys, some motivation, please let me know. Please give us a like, a subscribe, comment. Let us know what other topics you'd like us to talk about so that you can do better personally and professionally. This is my goal as a motivational speaker. I hope you enjoy this. Reach out, and I'll see you at the next video. Thanks, guys.